You still have the auditability all through up to the point where the disaster happened, or at least the last SYS-log capture before the disaster happened. Going with the SYS-log approach, you have a lot more auditability of all of the events that happened in between. Say, if you're doing snapshots, you only have the auditability up to that point in time that you recovered from the snapshot, as where if you're taking the SYS-log approach, even if you go back a few generations and state that you recover, since you've captured all of that, you still have the auditability all through up to the point where the disaster happened, or at least the last SYS-log capture before the disaster happened.
Talking about change management and audit of change management, we know that when working with workflow systems, it's kind of a standardized way to build into your identity and access management changes. Nevertheless, not all changes can be predicted, and there might be use cases that you need to intervene manually into the system. That makes what we call a configuration drift between the change management system and the actual system itself, which adds more changes that weren't provisioned to using the change management system. Having a continuous backup to your identity and access management system provide a real audit of what the system actually has.